Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Tech India. This is going to be session third for the series that we have started for AWS Solution Architect preparation. And as I have told you already, most of the questions will be from this series itself. You will be getting exactly same questions in your exam. So you have to trust this. And once you attempt your exam, please comment on this video how many questions were there from this series so that it could be helpful for others. And please give genuine feedback only. So let's start this video with 11th question of this series. A company has an application that runs on Amazon EC2 instances and uses an Amazon Aurora database. The EC2 instances connect to the database by using username and password that are stored locally in a file. The company want to minimize operational overhead of credential management. What should the solution architect do to accomplish this goal? And what is the goal? Management of the credentials that are stored in a local file. And here are the options. You can go through all these options, take your time, and then try to guess the answer. Okay, now let me reveal the correct answer. Correct answer here will be option A, use secret manager and turn on automatic rotation. Because AWS Secret Manager is a service that helps user manage, rotate, and retrieve secrets for application, services, and IT resources. It can be used to secure secrets for AWS Cloud, third-party services, and on-premises. And yeah, automatic rotation is useful so that secret can be automatically rotated. So option A is correct here. Now question number 12. A global company hosts its web application on Amazon EC2 instances behind an application load balancer, that is ALB. The web application has static data and dynamic data. The company stores its static data in an Amazon S3 bucket. The company wants to improve performance and reduce latency for the static data and dynamic data as well. The company is using its own domain name registered with Amazon Route 53. What should a solution architect do to meet this requirement? And the requirement is pretty simple. There should be minimum latency both in static and dynamic data. That's it. And here are the options. Go through all these options, understand the scenario, and then try to answer. I'm just giving you hint. Data is static as well as dynamic. Answer will come from there only. Okay, now let me reveal the correct answer. The answer here will be option A, that is create an Amazon CloudFront distribution that has the S3 bucket and ALB as its origin, and then configure Route 53 to route traffic to the CloudFront distribution. The thing is that CloudFront with both S3 and ALB as origin gives one global CDN entry for all the content. So this one will be helpful for both static and dynamic. So option A is correct here. Now question number 13. The company performs monthly maintenance on its AWS infrastructure. During these maintenance activities, the company need to rotate the credential for its Amazon RDS for MySQL databases across multiple AWS regions. Which solution meet these requirements with the least operational overhead? Here are the options. Take your time to guess the correct one. Okay, now let me reveal the correct answer. Store the credentials as secret in AWS Secret Manager. Use multi-region secret replication for the required regions. Configure Secret Manager to rotate the secrets on a schedule because that is also required as per the question. And why is that correct answer? Because with Secret Manager, you can store, retrieve, manage, and rotate your secrets, including database credentials, API keys, and other secrets. When you create a secret using Secret Manager, it is created and managed in a region of your preference. However, scoping secrets to a region is a security best practice. There are scenarios such as disaster recovery and cross-regional redundancy that require replication of secret across regions. However, it will be beneficial for you. I'm just trying to say, if your resources are there in AP South 1, that is one particular region, right? And your credentials are also there, your secret manager is also there, right? That is security best practice. But what if there happens some issue with AP South 1? In that case, to avoid the issue, you can keep your secrets or your credentials in another region, whatever it could be, that is nearby you. However, you can use away regions as well, like US East 1. So I hope it is clear. Now, question number 14. A company runs an e-commerce application on Amazon EC2 instances behind an application load balancer. The instances run in an Amazon EC2 auto-scaling group across multiple availability zones. Auto-scaling group scales based on CPU utilization metrics. The e-commerce company stores the transaction data in MySQL 8.0 database that is hosted on large EC2 instance. The database performance degrades quickly as application load increases. The application handles more read requests than write transactions. The company wants a solution that will automatically scale the database to meet the demand of unpredictable read workload while maintaining high availability. Which solution will meet these requirements? Here are the options. And the keyword is that unpredictable read workload will be there and availability should be high. And with that keyword, please try to answer this. Okay, now let me reveal the correct answer. Correct answer here will be option C. Use Amazon Aurora with a multi-agent deployment. Configure Aurora auto-scaling with Aurora replicas. Because whenever unpredictable read workload with maintaining high availability is the requirement, Amazon Aurora with multi-agent deployment and auto-scaling with Aurora read replica will be the correct answer. Now question number 15. The company recently migrated to AWS and want to implement a solution to protect the traffic that flows in and out of the production VPC. The company had an inspection server in its own premises data center. The inspection server performed a specific operation such as traffic flow inspection and traffic filtering. The company want to have same functionalities in AWS cloud. Which solution will meet these requirements? Requirement is traffic flow inspection and traffic filtering. Here are the options. Take a look on each and every individual options. You must be aware about all these. Okay, now let me reveal the correct answer. Correct answer here will be option C. Use AWS Network Firewall to create the rules for traffic inspection and traffic filtering for production VPC. This is because AWS Network Firewall is a managed network firewall service that allows you to define firewall rules to filter and inspect network traffic. You can create rules to define the traffic that should be allowed or blocked based on the various criteria such as source or destination IP addresses, protocols, ports, and many more. So this will be the correct answer over here. So friends, this was all in this video. Thanks for watching this video. Have a great learning and please do subscribe this channel Tech India.